Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to share you about my experience staying in the best homestay in Sittong. You will all get to know why I am telling it is the best. I am not sure where to start from or how much words are enough to describe this homestay because this homestay is located in a serene place and a tactical height that you could view the Kanchenjunga as well from the dawn to the dusk, and it was really lovely when we woke up. And as you can see the cleanliness and the garden, it was really beautifully decorated homestay, I would say. This is a really large homestay and most popular one in Sittong, I would say, and it is located in the upper Sittong, that is Sittong 1, with wonderful views all around. Here you can get cottage type rooms on the top level, and we chose the cottage rooms rather than the villa type room. And in cottage room also you get two options, like in this room, cottage room, we had our private veranda where we could sit and chill and view the beautiful Kanchenjunga hills. Here you could notice the chair and table, everything is so well decorated and set up. And now I am going to give you a tour of our 4-bedded cottage room also. So here is the room tour. You can see this is a 4-bedded room. So 2 beds are given and it is a large room, I would say. We had a cupboard here. We could keep our luggages, clothes, whatever we had with us. So it was really amazing, like the place and a nice view of the mountains right from our room, as you can see. So in the room they had everything, like from the carpets to the western toilet bathrooms, and most importantly it is really cold in Sittong, so they always provided 24 hours geyser for that. So you can see this is the bathroom, and even they provide clean towels every day. As you can see, there is also a separate door. So 2 doors were there in our 4-bedded room, and each room had their own kettle, glass, and also a power backup. So then we went to the separate dining room where we need to go to have our lunch, dinner and breakfast. So as we arrived around like during the afternoon time, so we had our lunch there, and in the lunch we got rice, dal, mixed veg along with the egg curry, and also they provided 2 eggs in the curry. Then they also had aloo chokha, chutney, papad, and it was really amazing Bengali lunch, I would say. We can have our lunch in the table of the dining room, or else I really love to prefer having the lunch in the veranda, which is present just beside the dining room only. After having the meal, I had a power nap, and this is just a time lapse video of the sunset for you all. So during 5:36 p.m. we were given our snacks, and first they served the chai. It was really amazing, and especially the Sittong tea is really good. So you all have heard about the Darjeeling tea, but do try the Sittong tea also. It's beautiful. They are homegrown also. And then we enjoyed the chai, but then came the pakoda. The pakodas were really yummy. These were aloo pakodas. It is also served in the room only, and you can see the quantity. The combination of the chai and pakoda, it was yummy. And then around 7:30 we saw there were also campfire. It was really amazing in the cold, And then they organized a beautiful event. The night was really amazing, and around 9 p.m. we went to the dining room. You can see there were so many chairs and tables to have our dinner. It was around 9 p.m. and from 9 p.m. they start serving the dinner. And it was really cold that night, and the hot foods were really tempting to me. They served us hot chapati, along with there were sabji and chicken curry also. The food was really amazing. If you want to have rice, you can also have that. So that is according to your choice. Like my brother had that. Then we were having some work after the dinner and then slept. And then the next day, when we woke up, it was really beautiful. I am going to show you the view from our room. We saw Kanchenjunga. Like in Darjeeling, I was really excited to see the Kanchenjunga from Tiger Hill. But this was visible from our own homestay, and that also from our room. Like I was really shocked to see this beautiful scenery. After that we had like roti and then rajma chola, and also a potato curry was there for our breakfast. They also had a swing there. So after we had our sightseeing tour, it was really beautiful sightseeing. I hope you have seen the video last week which I uploaded. Then we arrived in the homestay for our lunch, and in the lunch there were variety of items, and the special thing was there was fish also. So we had our lunch, and it was really amazing Bengali meal, I would say. So it was amazing staying here for 2 days and enjoying the great view of Kanchenjunga along with the beautiful Sittong. So here they operate on a per person per day rate, which is quite reasonable, which includes the lunch, dinner, breakfast along with the evening snacks and the tea as well. So here we stayed for 2 days, and per day, as we stayed in the deluxe cottage, it took us around 1600 rupees per day. So that's all from my side. So if you are visiting Sittong, do come here in Bisesh Homestay. Until then, bye bye everyone. Take care. Thanks for watching.